up, guys? Today we are gonna unbox another RC car. But wait, we have something else. Look over there. Guys, check out my baby Yoda, and it makes noise.
He calls it Baby Yoda. It's the child or Grogu, and it also makes noise. Check it out. Making. And if you haven't checked out The Mandalorian on Disney Plus, guys, go check it out. It's an awesome show.
Or if you don't have Disney Plus, ask your parents to download it and watch Mandalorian.
Today's video, we have another RC car. This is the stunt car, double side roll RC car. This thing is gonna use a lot of batteries. Check this out. So it's gonna take 4 AAA batteries in the RC car and 2 AA batteries in the remote control. I am really curious to see what kind of stunts this RC car will perform. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get this thing open and see what it can do. Ready?
Yes.
Oh, guys, we didn't even show you. Check out Riker's new sweater that check that out.
Merch.
It's pretty neat. He's got the play button on this side. And then his favorite part is what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. So if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Back to the video.
Hey, guys.
All right. Oh, there it goes. 1, 2. You can take the controller out. It looks like a video game controller.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. And look at that. That easy. That was easy. All right. Oh, he passed off the camera.
Oh.
He wanted to check that thing out. What is it? Huh?
Look.
Oh, man. Oh, this thing is going to be pretty awesome. Here, you got it? Ooh, Riker's actually going to... Oh, man. What happened? Almost got it. Look, it's coming out. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, right there. Holy moly. Look at this. It's got a compartment in here. Let's get this thing pulled out. Oh, there it goes. So you just stick 2 batteries on this side, 2 batteries on this side, and you pop it back down, and you want these 2 metal pieces to be touching those right there. So you'll just put them in there and pop that right back in there. I got all 4 batteries in there. Woo, that was really hard, but I got it.
So kids out there, tell your parents to do
Yes,
this.
definitely. Gonna have to tell your parents to do this one. And batteries are in. 2 AA batteries here, okay? All right, yeah. Go. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Oh,
I
yeah.
was doing this the whole time.
You are? Look at that donut. Look at that donut. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, dang. Oh, man, I wish we could strap a GoPro to that thing. That would be so cool just to see what that thing sees. All right, let's take this thing outside.
This thing's fast.
I know. Let's take this thing outside just to see what kind of stunts it can do, okay? Come on. Oh, yes. Guys, I'm super excited for this one, but we're gonna have to do something really crazy. We gotta test this thing out. We know it does stunts. Does it go over stuff? What does it do? We're gonna take it outside, give it a test. Here we go. Oh, how about right here in the sandbox first?
Yeah.
All right, sandbox test. Let's see. Ready? Give it a go. All right, see if you can get out of there. Oh, see if you can, go. Go over that thing. Nice. Look at that. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, hey, hold on. Oh. Look at that. Do that again. Oh, let's get this out of the way. Yeah, oh, look at that. See if you can go over that ramp thing right there. Go ahead. Well, where'd you go? Go back. Hey, come back. There you go. Oh, nice. Oh. Hey, okay. All right, let's take that back this way. Grass test. Go. Oh, look at that thing. All right, go.
What's the grass?
Yeah. Hold on. Go up that little hill right there. Let's see. All right, hold on. Oh, I can't go up there. Oh, that's really cool. Hold on. Wait. Let's see. Rock test. Hey, rock climbing. Come over here. Rock climbing.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah.
Put it over there in that rock garden. Put it in there.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah. Go right there. Let's try some rock climbing. Go. But you gotta go forward with it. Here, let's see. Hold on. No. Right here. Look, this is a better one. Look. But you gotta go forward, bub, okay? Go, give it a shot. Oh, other way, sorry. Look at that. Keep going. All right, go. Go, other way. Let's go. Here, let me see. Let me try it.
Oh, look at the wheel.
Oh, look at that. We're getting that stuff all over. That's cool. I like it. So it's kind of off-road.
Yeah.
All right, set it back down. Let me see. Give me that controller. Let's see what I can do. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if I can get over this. Oh,
Oh! Oh! You almost had it!
I know. I'm trying.
Oh! That was a nice trick.
There it goes. Leaf test. Let's go. See if we can get these leaves. All right. Let's see. Here. You want to try drive it again?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Let's see. All right. Riker's back up. He's gonna drive it. Oh, drive it back this way. What happened? Oh, look at the way it landed. Oh, nice. Hold on, bud. I need you to bring it this way. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Come this way. Come on. Let's go. Straight.
I can't go straight.
All right, let's bring it back. Come on. What is it? Oh, look at it go. He's turning it up over there. Come on.
Look what it did.
Oh, hey, I got a good idea.
What?
Hey, hold on. Let's try to shoot it. Hey,
With the
come
Nerf
on.
gun?
With the Nerf gun. Ooh. Open it up. How many are in there?
I can't.
Okay, here, let's see. This one is pretty hard. There we go. How many? None? 10. These are the last ones. You're only going with 10, okay?
Okay.
That one's not gonna be too heavy for you? Guys, also, if you have not seen the video where we opened up or unboxed the Soldier 76 Rival Blaster, we will put a link right up top. Pause this video right now. Go check that out. It's super cool. Come back, finish this video, and just watch what we're about to do to this RC car. You ready to go?
Yeah, but
Just
this
for
is how loud it is.
Go. Oh, yes. Oh, let's go. Wait, ready? On your mark, give me a second. Go. Oh, missed. Oh, you missed them all.
No, there's one more.
Go. Oh, he did, little cheater. Pick up all the Nerf dogs. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, huh?
Too heavy.
It's too heavy. Oh, I got 6. How many do you got? Oh, we're missing 1. See if it's in the blaster. You got the others in there. Close that thing
There
up.
you
Good
go.
job. I missed them all. Yeah, my luck. I'm gonna be the one that loses all the darts. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm missing 1. Open it up. See if it's in there. Oh, check out that thing. It's Megalodon. Oh. Is it in there?
Yes.
It is in there? Same one? I wonder if it just gets stuck. Okay, good. At least we know where they're at. Out here. Oh, Rocker almost knocked me over. We're out here, and I actually found another Nerf dart. I'm sure from this video we made when we shot the Soldier 76 blaster. I hope you checked it out, because it was super fun. Whoa, what the heck, man? Whoa, hey, that's a sharp shovel. Get that away from us. Golly, he's gonna attack us. Hey, put it down. Guys, we really hope you enjoyed this video. We really enjoyed unboxing this thing for you. Please consider subscribing right now. Just take the time. It doesn't cost you anything.
Subscribe.
Click on the button. It's right down here or down here.
Please,
Don't know where it's at. Other than that, we'll see you next time, guys. Later.
Later.
Whoa.